Alright, Flat Mechanic here again, and we're working on a 2015 Ford Escape, and it won't come out of gear. So, I'm going to show you guys how to get it out of gear. For some reason, it's stuck in gear. So the battery's dead, so I had the jumper on it. Alright, so this one is actually stuck in reverse, you can see there. And that's why it's not letting me pull it out of gear, because it thinks it's in reverse. So I'm just gonna pull up on this. This pops right out, and if you look right down in here, it's gonna be this little white piece right there. And if you pull that back with your finger, sit there and do it without having my finger in the way of the camera, yep, just like that, and you'll be able to shift this out of gear now. So let's pull that back, shift it out of gear. So now we're out of gear, and our shifter indicator is still not moving, and I don't really feel any kind of resistance. I don't feel any kind of resistance on this shifter here. So let's go look under the hood. You guys probably aren't going to be able to see this, but right down in here, and unfortunately you can't see it, but a shifter cable is actually right there, and it has come disconnected from the actual shifter lever. So I'm going to have to manually put this back into park and get this guy a new cable. That's going to be the fix. But ultimately, I just wanted to show you guys how to get this out of park if for some reason it's stuck in park. So that's how you do it. Just pull this up, and there's that white little piece right down there. You push back on it, and you'll be able to pull it out of park. Sometimes you may need to do that if your battery's dead, or say you have any kind of other issues. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button if it was helpful. Thanks.